As a part of the Georgia Alliance of YMCAs, recently wrote a letter to more than a dozen lawmakers urging them to continue support with the CDC's drowning prevention work. This all comes after Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy announced 2,400 jobs are expected to be cut from the agency. With these cuts, YMCA leaders say thousands of children are at risk of drowning.
The potential is that our YMCAs would not have the resources available to do so effectively, thereby making a significant impact in reducing what's a national trend, drownings.
Drowning research from the CDC's Injury Center shows rates have been increasing yearly nationwide. In fact, in 2023, Georgia saw the most unintentional drownings across all ages since 2001, with at least 39 drownings reported across the state. What do you think needs to be done to get that number down?
Not only water safety, but giving them the life skill of knowing how to swim.
For nearly a decade, Dougherty County Coroner Michael Fowler has put forth efforts to prevent drownings by hosting Swim for Life, which offers swim lessons and promotes water safety to children. He says hearing about how these cuts could impact YMCAs is concerning.
I think it's devastating because if the child won't have a program or something that they go to learn to swim, I think it's going to create a problem that eventually you're going to start having more death. It's saving lives. That's very important to me, and I'm passionate about it. We got to do what we got to do to help these kids.
According to the letter sent to Congress, these cuts could impact a 10-year national roadmap for lowering drowning rates in the U.S.
It will have a huge impact, a negative impact. We have a lot of kids in this area that don't know how to swim. And I'm not talking about Olympic-style swimmers. I'm talking about safety around water. Very important.
15 presidents and chief executive officers in the Georgia Alliance of YMCAs from North to South Georgia signed this letter, hoping Georgia lawmakers will continue to support efforts they say benefit hundreds of communities across the state. According to the Associated Press, Robert F. Kennedy says with these cuts, quote, "I want to promise you now that we're going to do more with less."